Hello everyone, my name is Khawla.
And I am Mariam.
Today we will show you how to secure your wireless router at home.
It is not possible to keep the wireless router secured 100%. However, we can layer the security to prevent hacking.
And in order to do that, we will need to follow a few simple steps.
The first step is to change the default password. And in order to do that, we need to access the router's setting.
Now in order to do that, you need to first provide the IP address, and you will find it in the system preferences. It will be under network. Then you need to click on advanced and then choose TCP IP. After this step, you will find your IP address provided here. So just copy the IP address and go to any browser. Now all you need to do is paste the IP address and it will take you to the router's website. So as you can see here, the first choice you need to make is to choose administrator, and for the password you need to type in admin, so ADMIN. Now once you're logged in, you will find the home page in front of you. You need to click on advanced settings. You need to choose wireless network, and the first option would be encryption. As you can see, this is our internet password. It is a weak password because it only contains numbers. Now for the complex password, we need to contain alphabets, numbers, and characters. So now I will change the password to a more complex one. And we will contain alphabets, characters, and numbers, as you can see. Now our password is complex. It has capital letters, small letters, characters, and numbers. Step would be clicking OK, and you will find, we need to wait for it to load. You will find this message right here that will tell you that the process is finished, and it will take you back to the starting page.
Next is enabling the wireless security. We are doing that in order to prevent intruders from using our internet and to gain some valuable information that we have on the internet.
Enabling the wireless security is very simple. You just need to go to the same page that we've changed the password at, which is encryption, and then you choose the first option that says disabled or none. You change it to WPA2. WPA stands for Wireless Protection Access, and the one that we've chose, which is WPA2, is a developed version of the original one, which was WPA.
Now the next step to secure your home router would be to change the SSID, and the SSID stands for Service Set Identifier. Some routers come with default names, and for example, you have Linksys, which is a default name for a Linksys router, and it's different from one router to another because every router has its own name. Now the reason why you need to change your SSID is, for example, let's say you are in a neighborhood that has several of Linksys internet connection and your device connects to one of them, but how can you make sure that the internet that you're connected to is your own? Now in order to change the SSID, we will only enter a new name, and we will make sure that the new name does not contain any personal information, and that's how we can maximize our security. So as you all have seen previously, I used to have my family name as the SSID, but now I will change it to another name. Now, the next step to secure your home router is to keep it out of sight. And to achieve that, you need to turn off the SSID broadcast, which you will find under SSID. So you'll find the SSID broadcast, and it is usually turned on. So you just need to turn it off and then click OK. Now the last step for securing your home router is, if you're not using the wireless, definitely disable it. However, you don't have to worry about it because you have layered the needed security to keep your router safe. Now, since we have completed the simple steps to keep your router safe, I hope this instructional video has been useful, and I hope you have learned how to keep your router safe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.